Research Strategies Part 4. Finding Resources. Where to find resources. Sources for your paper can usually be found in 3 primary places. The library catalog is comprised of records for all the books, videos, etc. found in your campus library. The internet has a lot of good information, but a lot of misinformation as well. Databases are online compilations of journal articles, electronic books, and other specialized information. Keyword searching. Use keyword searching to find resources on your topic. Do not enter your thesis statement into the search window. Derive keywords from your thesis topic and use these in your searching. First, jot down the main concepts of your topic or thesis. Then you will think about similar words and concepts to search for. Try phrasing your topic as a question, such as, what is the impact of class size on academic achievement? Your key concepts would be class size and academic achievement. Now, list similar or related words and phrases for your key concepts. For example, academic achievement could also be described as student performance. Think of other ways to say the same thing. Jot all of these down on your list of keywords. Now, join your keywords together with search operators to form your search. Search operators and or will either broaden or narrow your search. Using and narrows your search. Searching for academic and achievement will produce results only with both of those words. Most online search tools assume you are using and between words and automatically narrow your search. Academic has 20 articles and achievement 17 articles, resulting in 11 articles that contain both terms. Using or broadens your search. Searching for academic or achievement will produce all results with either of those words. Or is especially useful in linking similar words, Latino or Hispanic. Academic, 20 articles, or achievement, 17 articles, results in a total of 37 articles that contain either term. More searching tricks. Try more general terms if you cannot get enough results. Eating disorder versus bulimia. Try narrower terms if you get too many results. Aromatherapy versus alternative medicine. If an article works for you, look at its subject headings and use those in your next search. Use the bibliography works cited from your sources as a list of additional sources. Also consider finding works by the same author. What's next? Now that you can find available resources, it's time to evaluate them to see if they are useful. Take a look at the next tutorial in this series, Research Strategies Part 5, Evaluating Resources. Any questions? Please contact your nearest North Central Texas College librarian. Thank you so much for watching.
Created using Powtoon.